Tired of Trello and ready to make the jump to Microsoft Planner? Let's get your Trello cards moved over easily, step by step. First, open the Trello board you want to transfer. Make sure you're viewing the specific board you want to copy, as the process will grab all the cards on this board. Next, look for the Show Menu option, usually located on the right side of your Trello board. Click on that, and then select the Print and Export option from the menu that appears. In the Print and Export menu, you will see several export options, but we need to select the Export as JSON option, which will download your entire board in a structured data format. Click on that. A JSON file will download to your computer. Name it something you'll remember, like Trello Board Back. This file contains all the information about your Trello board. Keep this file in a safe place, as it's your backup. Now, head over to a Trello to Planner migration tool. I will link one in the description below. Most tools will look similar. They will ask you to upload your JSON file. Follow the instructions on the tool to import the JSON file. You will most likely be prompted to name your new Microsoft Planner plan and select which Office 365 or Microsoft 365 group to create the plan in. Once the tool processes the file, you should see all your cards, now converted to tasks, inside of Microsoft Planner. You can then review the new plan to ensure all your data migrated correctly.